Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 keyboard typing wrong letters. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Keyboard. Second method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Keyboard, right-click Keyboard, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Time and Language. Click Typing, click Advanced Keyboard Settings. Select Use Language List. Click Time and Linkage, click Language and Region. Make sure your typing language is first in Language List. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.